In this video, I'll show you how to access Midjourney in 2026. If you want to start creating AI images with Midjourney, the first step is accessing the platform and getting familiar with the current interface. First, open a web browser on your PC or laptop. Then go to the official Midjourney website. Once the website loads, look for the option to sign in or get started. Click on it and continue with the available login method. If you already have a Midjourney account, sign in using the account you registered with. After successful authentication, you should be taken to the Midjourney web interface. If you're using Midjourney for the first time, you may be guided through some introductory steps before reaching the main workspace. Once you're inside, take a few moments to explore the interface. Look for the areas where you can create images, view previous creations, and manage your projects or settings. Depending on the current version of Midjourney, the exact layout and available options may be different from older tutorials. To confirm that everything is working, try opening the image creation area and prepare a simple prompt. For example, you could enter a description such as a peaceful mountain landscape at sunset. Keep your first prompt simple so you can focus on understanding the basic workflow. After generating the image, check whether the result appears correctly.